Hello, mashaka ino to kamera mbana vitamina na mandlele gerek. Ngirkan mo kumashava namuntlha na mamkra swinene. Misisa mina nga ri kahle kahle ngopfu mara yi ta lunghisiwa. If I'm using the left hand, swi vula ku leriwa ku ha ri kahle. I had a bit of an op there. You know, I'm recovering. So just fiddling around at home, trying to figure out if I can do some album reviews. That's stronger. Then I heard that there's a new single that just dropped. So I thought maybe it would be nice, it would be cool if we could just take a listen and hear what exactly is happening here. Who's that? Okay. I think we need to take that on. Ooh. I'm not sure if the sound is going to be good, but I hope it's going to be good. It sounds like Macha Bermuda. That's Mansan Glen, am I wrong? Okay, I get it now. So it looks like single lenga umesi wa evano la. I just heard Mansan Glen. Akain bera lani. Thomas Gezan lava ne. I get it. I'm getting it. So ngari kuna similar nga umesi wa ba tlangela Macha Bermuda. Na stiva ku kuna ku honor ka Macha Bermuda hi 28 September a Chiconero. I'm not sure if you want to pronounce the name, but I think it's at Chiconero. Very le alaka mphakati nyana so ndata ko. Chiconero to honor Macha Bermuda swindla hi Mayana. I think so. I think this single is dedicating that initiative, and it's a very good initiative. But I don't worry about it. Who's that? Come on, guys. Can someone help me? Lava. I'm thinking maybe I know who's that. Vibam. Wait, what? I rewinded it a bit. That's all. That's Ben Mega. Okay. I don't know I had the song. Okay. So talk on a Ben Mega Lani. Wait a minute. Something here. I think we are being cheated here. I mean, bit like we Ben Mangani. Let's hear it. Let's hear it again. I think Bitlia it was not done by the same person, or it was not done at the same studio, because it sounds different. It sounds different from the other parts like Mansan Glen na Vimbam Kwama. I think na Gezan Thomas Laya. Those are two beats. Those are two different beats that were joined together. It sounds like that. Now we're back to the original beat. Mapaitela. The thing is Mapaitela this one. Milanjelo can and Bluson. Okay. I love this voice, Thomas Kazan. But I put on Chris Mashawa Agurungano, Unkurungu for Machabemuto. Na ba kukwan Kazan Thomas Nzaman. But tu nunca se me da pila de Machabemuta, né? Still sempre. Can you be Vula Mukona? Vera Damarumbo Kamuang, Misha Maru, Abanga Makamona, I mean. Makmarumo look matama mga kamon so up to point with me makama and where she be full. It's really the voice of man Flora watch out kili. One hour no mean share. Well, I'm not surprised Pesifano Kimbelela because Cat is to Taratwanta much of the Muda. Okay, Belayan, and look much like Ashby Berin Chom number 2. This is what's on? I don't know what's going to I don't know. Yeah, a peasant fan I like I'm sure center. I think a Shika Chuma number 2. Okay, maybe not only that one. Why you do? Guys, sumero anira Machabemuda lero and Rakura Vedikeda Machabemuda. La Kapatlea Peasant Fan is very interesting because it reminds me of the original song. Yeah, this part. Actually, let me play it. Like Chom number 2, Imisholo Center Bitrarona. And I forward the Anok Mimika Patlia. I want that part like you better go Peasant Fan. Imisholo Center. Tell you what, guys, was it someone that you know? Or you have something? Tell us. Tell us. I want that part of Peasant Fan. Okay, we're going to sing Sakas. Ai, Peasant Fan. This is actually the original song. But let's go back here to Leria Mangari and Leria because it sounds like Peasant Fan and a liar. I want that part about your Peasant Fan. macha nena ya hina. Once I'm done with foot, round twice. Okay. I feel like it's a good song. It's a good song. Look, not check and remix a lot. Instead, nar. Tama chop the mood. Look, check a lot. Look, check a. Kuna Samaria. Leif inga comments on the intro. Ya Michelle Center. Ya Giamacha, I think. Look, on the head. Money can foot. So intro ya similar to endara dedication rate resa intro leo ya Giama chaka shitom na tom number 2. Hey, what is Thomas? Maramasha Bermuda, guys. That's a good wheel. That's a good wheel. The Gamma Cha is not on the Teresa intro, but that is under Ra Samaria. Then Matrasana Micholo Center, especially like a pat layer prison fana, like a. So, Mishora Center, I know it's also like a similar one. Maracuna disjointment, a corner looking at bit like we Lambella with Ben Mangan. It sounds like it was not the beat of the whole song. There are two beats, kuna beat laying and I Iva Navanga and Langua, Maracuna beat a Ben Mangan at one. Lokimbella Ben Mangan, beat lay I eat Yuri alone in the song. So you can easily actually separate it from the whole song. It's a good song. My only problem with the song is the fact that the flow from the beat layer in the song and then look at the no good the original beat. It's a beat that was done somewhere else and a beat that was done somewhere else. It was not done at the same time. It would have been nice to have a bit longer, and then all artists come in and sing on top of that beat. Producer that we want. But right now it sounds like a bit longer this one, a bit longer so you mock one if that one I can notice. And then another thing, we know this Macha Bermuda total as much as Macha Bermuda was a guy who appreciated electro stuff, like electro is like electronic gadgets, music, and he also appreciated the lead guitar. It would have been nice to actually for the song, in order to honor Macha Bermuda in full, to have that lead guitar sounding in this dedication song. But otherwise it's a nice song. It's a nice song to promote the whole event because I think that's what they're doing. It's a good strategy to you can hear the two beats are different they come from different places. There are two beats in the song. Beat the Ben Mangani and the beat Lava Yalava one. It sounds like there are two beats in the song. And then concerning earlier guitar kwa corner. And then also I feel like it's a good initiative to honor Macha Bermuda because actually it's long overdue and it starts. Hi. The Milika state capture. So I feel it's a good thing, you know, and to have a long overdue. Kubap honor Macha Bermuda, it's a good thing. I wish it was done long time ago, Actually, maybe not only by the artists, because the artists are just taking their own initiative. But Angela Wash, Loro, the Fumu, Mishani, Balama in charge of music, Cash Gas, and Stick Woman. They should have actually honored this guy long time ago, because we know Susan of Law, he person fana la ku ri impela Xitsonga a hi dyondza ka wena impela misava ya Xitsonga xi khomini ti-lyrics ta Machabe Muda a ti famba loko mo yingisela kahle chom na chom ka ti-album ta yena hinkwato nga thwa chom na chom. I think a ri na 10 albums leswi loko ni nga hembi a ri na 10 albums Machabe Muda loko ni nga hembi loko ri ki na hemba mi komba mi ni kaneta kwala hansi 10 albums. Mara album leyi mina yi ni belaka ngopfu yona liya ya leyi nga na mi wa Mihlovo Center va ni tsakisa ngopfu liya xikoxa liya. Oh, okay, there's something wrong here. I'm not gonna play it because it's still more about I don't know how it's gonna sound, but yeah. Kudos to the guys who actually did the single. Kudos to the people who are actually behind this. I think it's Mayanda. It's Mayanda honoring Machabe Muda Strumelali Kachikonero in the 28th September. 28th September. Kutafamsava the twins, I think very program director the twins nava Bundu and Steve Maria social financial honestly very tangona mahala bullshit honestly tangona mahala likashikonero in the 28th September very by 10 a.m. kuze kuyacha madam mastrices so ningeyi ndabani marikona ningezine kunta unless sushanchita no pa nikuma ku ni vaniri kona ningaya mara I don't think that ndabani ngarikona mara it's a good initiative. So thank you very much for this single. Swa tikomba ku ri tinkambi ta hina swi rhandza mara no twa na xiphiqo xexo xa ku na Vatsonga vhele dume ngopfu swa ku loko munhu a lovini hi ku ri hi kona hi nge hayi a ri kahle ngopfu loko na ha ri laha ku hana un'we nge mandla gingekani kahle un'wana n'we ri mfanelo tonga ngopfu i titwa ngopfu mfanelo mara loko na bulu vatimona ti-tribute ta ku byala tinghoma na tisingile hinkwaswo swi ndlo ro mandla gingekani mara ku dya ri kona la misaveni a swi ndli sweswo. I think molo a wufi munhu a hi mixiximeni loko a ri kona a ri ku hanyeni. I think ni vone swindlo ra tatana Thomas Chauke. I think hi leswi swi lavekaka leswi swi va hi ndlela liya ku ri munhu hi n'wi xixima a ha ri kona a hanya hayi ku loko se vakwana a ri kona ku ri kona se mi sungula ku hale na leyi mi gingirika mi ku a ku ri munhu wa migingiriko hayi va ka hina mina ku ri mina Legere Ekestors ke tsere ke le nyora I'm testing Totoro salute mi nga titimeli kwalano mi nga titimeli Ekestors